Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best big bore kit is probably one of the most exciting upgrades you can make to your GY6 scooter. This kit promises a significant boost in power and torque, transforming your ride into a more thrilling experience. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of big bore kits, helping you understand what to look for and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Glixal ATMT1 011 139 QMB 100 cubic centimeters cylinder kit. This kit is specifically designed for the GY6 139 QMB 4-stroke engine. It's a perfect fit for your scooter, moped, ATV, or go-kart, ensuring optimal performance. The cylinder has an inner diameter of 50 mm. This size is crucial for the upgrade, allowing for increased engine displacement and power. The outer diameter of the piston pin is 13 mm. This component is essential for the piston's movement within the cylinder, ensuring smooth operation. The kit includes everything you need for a complete rebuild. It comes with the cylinder, piston rings, piston pin, clips, valve oil seal, gaskets, and studs. This 50 mm cylinder rebuild kit is a high-performance upgrade. It's designed to boost your GY6 engine from 49 cubic centimeters, 50 cubic centimeters, 60 cubic centimeters, or 80 cubic centimeters to 100 cubic centimeters, offering a significant power increase. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for a complete rebuild, making it a convenient choice. It's designed for high-performance upgrades, giving your scooter a boost in power. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that simplifies the upgrade process, this is the one for you. What people say. It came with all the parts. I am using the stock head and valves with this kit and it works just fine. All the parts were high quality, and fit together well. Number 4. RUTU 69 mm GY6 Big Bore Kit 100 cubic centimeters. Looking to boost your scooter's performance? This kit is designed for scooters with 139 QMB and 49 cubic centimeters 50 cubic centimeters GY6 engines. It includes everything you need for a significant upgrade. This engine kit is specifically made for scooters. It comes with a 50 mm cylinder block, a racing AC CDI, and A7TC spark plugs. This will help your scooter run more efficiently. The kit is designed to boost horsepower and torque. The larger size allows for increased combustion, leading to better acceleration and overall performance. The piston rings are made from alloy, and the piston is made from aluminum. The cylinder is crafted out of strong steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Installing this kit is easy. The package includes a detailed and easy-to-follow instruction manual to help you through the installation process. You'll be up and running in no time. We stand by the quality of our products. If you're not satisfied with the performance of the kit, contact us to avail of our no questions asked 1-year replacement warranty. What we like. This kit is engineered to significantly boost your scooter's horsepower and speed. The durable construction ensures longevity, giving you peace of mind. If you are looking for a performance upgrade that is built to last and easy to install, it's a great option. What people say. No problem with the install, had it done in a couple hours and this was my first BBK install. Worked perfectly first install. Everything fit to specs on my 50 cubic centimeters 139 QMB block. Very straightforward. I used on my 2019 Tao Pony 50. Used stock exhaust, A9 cam, 50 cubic centimeters to 100 cubic centimeters carburetor with aftermarket air filter. Sounds much healthier now. Mine had 64 mm valves. No other modifications were needed to use 69 mm head timing chain. Number 3. GOOFIT 150 cubic centimeters GY6 157 QMJ Big Bore Cylinder Kit. This is a replacement kit for 150 cubic centimeters 4-stroke GY6 157 QMJ engines. It's designed to rebuild your engine and enhance its performance. This kit is a great choice for Chinese scooters. The cylinder diameter is 57.4 mm, matching the piston diameter. The piston pin is 15 mm in diameter and 42 mm in length. Please double-check these measurements before you buy it. This kit is a direct replacement for Tautau, SUNL, Bayong, JCL, and Baja 150 cubic centimeters 4-stroke GY6 157 QMJ engines. It's a reliable solution to rebuild your scooter's engine. The cylinder is the heart of your engine. It's where the air and fuel mixture combusts, driving the piston. This process converts chemical energy into mechanical power, making your scooter run. The reticulated process improves sealing and lubrication. This reduces wear and fuel consumption. It also provides efficient heat dissipation, ensuring strong power and durability. We are committed to providing the best service. If you're not satisfied with your order, please contact us. We hope you enjoy your shopping experience with us. What we like. This kit features efficient heat dissipation, ensuring your engine runs smoothly under pressure. The durable and wear-resistant design means it's built to last. If you like a kit that prioritizes longevity and consistent performance, this is a solid choice. What people say. Everything fit perfect. Fit on my EV1P57F engine 150 cubic centimeters, good for the price. If you have one of this EV go-kart with same engine code will fit. Easy kit to install. Just swap over from old to new parts and boom, your compression will be restored. Number 2. Glixal GY6 49 cubic centimeters to 100 cubic centimeters Big Bore Cylinder Kit. This kit is specifically designed for the GY6 139 QMB 4-stroke engine. It's a perfect fit for scooters, mopeds, ATVs, and go-karts. Ensure this is the right fit for your vehicle before purchase. The cylinder has an inner diameter of 52 mm. The piston pin's outer diameter is 13 mm. This upgrade will significantly increase the engine's performance. The kit includes everything you need for a rebuild. It comes with the cylinder, piston rings, piston pin clips, valve oil seal, gaskets, tensioner gasket, exhaust gasket, and studs and nuts. Upgrade your GY6 engine from 49 cubic centimeters or 50 cubic centimeters to 105 cubic centimeters. This kit provides a high-performance boost. It's an easy way to enhance your vehicle's power. With all the necessary components included, the installation is straightforward. It is a great way to improve your engine's performance. Enjoy the enhanced power and speed. What we like. This kit is designed for a high-performance upgrade, giving your scooter a boost in power. It includes all the necessary components for a complete rebuild, making it a convenient choice. If you're looking for a kit that simplifies the upgrade process and enhances performance, consider this. What people say. Came nicely packed. All gaskets, C-clips, rings, wrist pin included. Came with the rubber gasket to replace the one on valve cover. Nice casting. Even has company logo. That is significant. Installed fairly easy. No need to bore out case hole. Paired this with a big valve head from Scooters Togo, big carb, 1.18 overdrive gears and A11 cam. Crazy power, watch the compression ratio with small chamber heads, I'm at 200 psi or 13.6 to 1. Surprisingly, this makes power at a much lower RPM than stock. The casting and machining are good and the cylinder had a good cross-hatching pattern. Number 1. 61 mm GY6 125 cubic centimeters 150 cubic centimeters Big Bore Piston Cylinder Kit. Are you looking to boost your scooter's power? This Big Bore Cylinder Kit is the perfect solution. It's designed to significantly increase the displacement of your engine. The kit features a 61 mm diameter, with a piston pin diameter of 15 mm. It increases displacement to 170-180 cc. The cylinder's outer diameter is 65 mm, with a middle height of 69 mm and a total height of 90 mm. Made from high-quality metal, this kit is built to last. It's a direct replacement for your original cylinder, ensuring durability and reliability. You can trust it to perform. This kit is compatible with a wide range of scooters, including JOG, GY6, and CNCF models. It's also suitable for YPVOG scooters. Check the list to see if it fits your model. The package includes a Big Bore cylinder kit, camshaft, cylinder head, and gaskets. Everything you need for a complete upgrade is included. Please note that professional installation is recommended. What we like. This cylinder kit is made of high-quality metal, ensuring durability and reliability. It's compatible with a wide range of scooter models, making it a versatile choice. If you are looking for a complete kit that offers both quality and broad compatibility, this is the one for you. What people say. This is non-eager head. What I found: first ring is silver SK1 marking up, 0.011 ring gap for first ring, 0.010 for second ring. Install oil ring spring pressing together, no overlap. I used 1000 grit sandpaper and a feeler gauge to file the ring gap. I clearanced the crankcase with a Dremel for the larger sleeve. The lower cylinder to crankcase seal was perfect. Probably a manufacturer mix-up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.